I bought the Yebo hair. Ooh. There we go. Yebo hair off of Amazon. And I think it was, what, 4 packs for $30? Separating these takes the longest time. That's what I got from watching all those videos. So, I guess we'll see. Well, yeah. What's wrong? E.
This is its what?
Alright, officially done with my hair. It came out decent. I used 3 packs of hair out of the 4. I still have a whole pack left. The 3rd bag, I still have like maybe 5 strands left. So altogether, basically 3. And I still have 1 full pack left, which I'm probably going to use to do her hair, which 1 pack should be fine because I'm going to cut them in half. And total, it took me, I would say 9.5 hours total to do it. And that was over a span of 2 days. Secure the roots. Secure the roots. Like, this hair is so slippery. I try to do it without doing the rubber band method. No. Like today I took her to gymnastics and one of my ones in the back, here's my hair. This is my hair. One of the ones in the back slipped out during her gymnastics. So embarrassing. So I'm hopefully nobody's seen that. it is what it is. So I'm about to secure. I think there's only like 3 or 4 I didn't do without the rubber band. So I need to go in and do that. And what else? Oh, another thing is that some of my ends are heat damaged. So even though I use gel to wrap my hair, you can tell, like, let's see, this braid right here, this is the heat damaged ends. It's like coming out of the braid, so that is not a good look. I'll go ahead and try to braid it in. Whatever, it is what it is. I'm taking this out in a couple weeks anyway, so. And what else do I need to tell you guys? I've seen a lot of girls wearing their hair to the side. I thought that would be cute, but mine does not look cute to the side, so I put it in a ponytail. Watch, I'll show y'all. I don't like the way it looks on me, but that's it. Anyways, and this random long one is that. I'm about to snip. If you have questions, link them down in the description box, and make sure you subscribe for more videos, right?
For more videos.
Peace out.
Peace out. Deuces.